Shenzhen JstaryPower Technology Company Limited, established in 2020, is a professional engaged in the sale and service of solar batteries. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our products have obtained MSDS UN 38.3 CE certificates. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, European, East-South Asia, Africa. We also welcome OEM ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our company is an enterprise in the renewable energy industry with leading domestic technology. The company follows the development concept of independent innovation, service-oriented, has advanced core technology, and complete products and services. The main application areas of the product: 1. Home energy storage system products and solutions. 2. Photovoltaic energy storage system products and solutions. 3. Lithium batteries replace lead-acid products and solutions. 4. AGV, engineering machinery products and solutions. 5. High-pressure energy storage system products and solutions. Relying on deep industry experience, strong financial strength, and product operation and maintenance service system, the company continues to create value for customers in the fields of energy storage and power systems.